Machine learning basics. Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of machine learning. Whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to refresh your knowledge, this video will guide you through the fundamentals of machine learning. Let's get started. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn from and make decisions based on data. Unlike traditional programming, where we write explicit instructions for every task, machine learning algorithms learn patterns from data and make predictions or decisions. What is machine learning? Machine learning, or ML, is a method of data analysis that automates analytical model building. It's based on the idea that systems can learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. In simple terms, it's like teaching a computer to recognize patterns and make decisions based on those patterns without being explicitly programmed for every possible scenario. Types of machine learning. Machine learning is typically categorized into three types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning involves training a model on labeled data, where the input comes with the correct output. For example, predicting house prices based on features like size and location. Unsupervised learning deals with unlabeled data. The algorithm tries to find hidden patterns or intrinsic structures in the data, like clustering customers based on purchasing behavior. Reinforcement learning is about training models to make sequences of decisions by rewarding them for good decisions and punishing them for bad ones, like training a robot to navigate through a maze. Key algorithms in machine learning. Let's explore some common machine learning algorithms. Linear regression is used for predicting a continuous value based on the relationship between variables. Decision trees are used for classification and regression tasks. They split data into branches to make predictions. K nearest neighbors, KNN, is a simple algorithm used for classification based on the closest data points in the feature space. Support vector machines, SVM, are used for classification tasks by finding the hyperplane that best separates different classes. Neural networks are a series of algorithms that attempt to recognize underlying relationships in a set of data through a process that mimics the way the human brain operates. How does machine learning work? Here's a simplified process of how machine learning works. 1. Data collection. Gather and prepare your data for training. Quality data is crucial for good performance. 2. Data preprocessing. Clean and transform the data to make it suitable for the algorithm. This may include handling missing values or scaling features. 3. Model training. Choose an appropriate algorithm and train the model on your data. The model learns patterns from this data. 4. Evaluation. Test the model on new, unseen data to assess its performance and accuracy. 5. Deployment. Once satisfied with the model's performance, deploy it to make real-world predictions or decisions. Real-world applications. Machine learning has a wide range of real-world applications, from recommendation systems like those on Netflix and Amazon to fraud detection in financial transactions and image recognition in security systems. ML is transforming industries and our daily lives. Getting started with machine learning. If you're eager to dive into machine learning, here are some steps to get started. 1. Learn the basics. Understand fundamental concepts and algorithms. Free online courses and tutorials are a great start. 2. Hands-on practice. Work on projects and data sets to apply what you've learned. Websites like Kaggle offer data sets and challenges. 3. Use popular tools. Familiarize yourself with machine learning libraries and frameworks like scikit-learn, TensorFlow, and PyTorch. 4. Stay updated. Machine learning is a rapidly evolving field. Keep learning and stay updated with the latest research and advancements. That wraps up our introduction to machine learning basics. We hope this video has given you a solid understanding of what machine learning is all about and how it works. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on AI and data science.